Hey there, and welcome. So today I'm going to be trying to create a Go Ternary operator. So as you all know, if you're a Golang Gopher, you can know. I'm pretty sure you know that Golang has no a ternary operator. So if you want to do something like uh, this is what I want. This is what I want to achieve. So if you want to do something like maybe uh some value should be equal to maybe something like maybe true if true, maybe something like this to have like some value if false. So this is technically not valid in Golang. So I want to create something similar. So I want to have something like this. So let me do that. Let me do that. Let me do it. So I'm gonna start by creating the utils package. So let me do that first. Utils, and inside of here, we're gonna create a utils with go file to go. So I'm gonna do package utils, then func Ternary, right? Okay, so what is it going to receive? It's going to receive like the boolean that we want to check, the true value and the false value. So that's it. So um, condition, right? Condition, that's going to be a condition, going to be like a boolean or something, right? Right, a boolean. So it should be like a boolean value. So, and here I think we need to use generics to like figure out the type of the true value. So I want to have like a true value and the false value. False value. They should both be type T, and I'm passing the type T here. So T is type N because we don't know what the true or false value can be. So it can be literally anything. So that's what we're gonna do, like have anything. The user can pass a number, string, whatever he wants. So pretty simple. I'm gonna just do if condition return the what was I trying to do? Return the true value. Why is it? Okay, right. Should also be type T. Return type T. So else just return the false value, right? So bam. So that's it. That's just it. So I am putting this in the package code. I mean this project called tripwire that had like the error configuration that we did the other time. So we simplified the if error is not equal to nil thing using like error handler and stuff like that. Why is this complaining? Okay, so I remove this method. Let me try to put it back. So I usually like to light something like this in my Golang project. So instead of relighting fmt dot print line all the time, I usually like to do something like this. So and I just make it like a value. So because in Golang functions are also identifiers and values, so you can do something like this. So this is pretty much valid in my Golang code. So I can just import this motherfucker here, pop, and that's done. So we can paste this sheet. So I'm pretty sure that the output is gonna be if this file doesn't exist, right? The error is there, right? So if this file doesn't exist, we gonna see an error. So let us try that. Go lan. Okay, so we saw the error output. So here is our error that no such file directory. If I change this to something like license license, which is there, right? I'm pretty sure we're gonna see something like nil or something. You see, nil, bam. So our fucking library works, right? We have invented ternary operators in Golang. We are very, very brilliant, right? So it's pretty simple. I'm not sure why the actual developers of this language haven't implemented this feature before. Hmm? Why? I don't know. Golang is weird. It also doesn't have like a while loop. It's not there. So the for loop is technically the while loop. Just don't have to pass conditions, and if you want to break in the loop, you just have to break using like continue and the break keyword. So this is it for today. See you next time.